Hello everyone. Now here get a sheet of this shape and then you need to just secure it further. Get them folded and then attach it together in this manner and get a pretty looking 3D flower. Now what are we going to do? You have to just secure it in this way. Get them done in this manner and you have to just secure it further in this manner. Get the leaves attached and this is gonna look damn amazing. Now how we are gonna do next? So here you have to get the beautiful flowers and then get them attached in this manner. You need to just secure it further, get them beautifully packed up, and this is gonna look damn pretty. Further here what are we gonna do? You have to just get these sheets and then arrange it in this manner. Get the mushrooms and all and you have to just stick them around and this is gonna look absolutely amazing, and then this is gonna look pretty. Now here what are we going to do? Again get the clay, press it further and then get these sheets attached like this, and then what are we gonna do? You have to just make the swan and then with the help of the black marker you need to make it further. Cool, right? Now get a circular cardboard disc and then get the clay pasted all over it in this manner and then get the sheets attached in this way to make a beautiful bird like this. This is gonna look amazing. Now here press the clay again and you have to just secure it further, make the beautiful flowers like this and then attach them together. Isn't it looking damn amazing? And you have to make it, the beautiful flower pot is gonna be ready. Now further here again get the sheets, you have to just get them attached all over and further you need to make the snail like this. Get the clay again attached further and then make it look like this. Cool, right? Thank you guys.